Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances, New Jersey and New York's premier interactive appliance showroom. Here's our top 5 picks to consider in 2019. The first spot on our list is the visually striking and well-designed GE cooktop known as the JP5030SJSS. Featuring a 30-inch width and using a radiant element Smoothtop design, this GE masterpiece receives consistently high marks from industry experts and actual consumers alike. This model features 4 elements with 1 high-powered element for fast boiling power. The touch controls are responsive and clear to use, and heat indicators let you know whether the cooktop is hot and where. Another excellent design features the stainless steel trim along the top and bottom of the cooktop, which creates a unified look and a touch of sleekness. You'll also love the fact that the 2 elements on the left-hand side can connect with a single control for heating up griddles and larger pans of various shapes and sizes. With high reliability ratings and owner satisfaction, you can't go wrong with this GE cooktop. Looking for a cooktop with high-tech features? Try the Samsung NZ36K 7570RG. Samsung's entry on this list lives up to the brand's reputation for high-end electronics, striking visual design, and impressively modern features. The first thing you'll notice is the high-contrast digital readings and controls. These digital controls can be supplemented with included magnetic knobs, which some users prefer as more tactile and responsive alternatives to touch controls. This cooktop features 5 elements, including 2 high-power elements for fast boiling and searing, and the range of heating power available is impressively versatile. You can even bridge together 2 elements for heating larger pans efficiently and effectively. Because this is a Samsung device, you can bet it's Wi-Fi enabled for controlling and making adjustments via your smartphone. And with great reliability ratings and owner satisfaction through the roof, you're likely to love this electric radiant cooktop from Samsung. Next, our most affordable contender is the LG LCE 3610SB. This LG cooktop features a visually striking design and powerful cooking capabilities using radiant heat and featuring a 36-inch profile. This cooktop boasts 2 high-power elements as well as touch controls that are impressively responsive and easy to use. This cooktop is also distinct in that it includes an element designed specifically for warming foods, capable of incredibly low temperatures designed to avoid burning or overheating. LG is known for creating reliable appliances, and this cooktop is no exception. If you want simplicity and style in one package, consider the GE Profile P9030JSSGE. GE's second appearance on our list, their Profile series cooktop distinguishes itself from its predecessor in a few key ways. First, it boasts 5 different heating elements with the ability to bridge the 2 on the left-hand side for cooking on baking pans, skillets, or larger cookware. It also boasts 2 high-powered elements and impressive touch controls that allow for greater visibility and precision during your cooking experience. Other features include an element with a keep warm setting designed to maintain foods at a stable warm temperature without burning, drying out, or overheating them. This GE Profile is reliable, capable of handling a wide range of heat levels and cooking tasks, and visually stylish thanks to the jet black cooktop surface and stainless steel trim. It would make an excellent addition to just about any home cooking setup. Looking for a more unique choice for your electric cooktop? Consider the Bosch Benchmark Series NET P668UC. Bosch may not carry the immediate name recognition of brands like GE or Samsung, but among kitchen appliance purists, this brand is considered a powerhouse. Bosch has been creating high-end kitchen appliance designs for decades, and their electric cooktop represents the pinnacle of their achievements in cooktop design. Featuring 5 total burners of various sizes and variations, including 2 that can be bridged for cooking large dishes, Bosch's one-of-a-kind style features pale stainless steel trim and red indicator lights. The touch controls are responsive and dependable. One of the most distinctive features of this Bosch cooktop is the countdown timer feature, which allows you to set a specific timer for individual heating elements. This means that after the given timer is up, the heating element will automatically shut off. This is not only great for safety, but also can help ensure that the food doesn't get overcooked or scorched. AutoChef is another fantastic Bosch feature, which when used alongside a specialized pan can give you the power and customization of programmed cooking settings. This makes your cooking experience more streamlined, flexible, and adaptable to your unique needs and cooking style. And because it's a Bosch appliance, you can count on exceptional reliability and quality design. Those are our top picks for 2019, and we look forward to helping you select the best appliances for your home when you visit one of our showroom locations in New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will help make you an educated appliance shopper.